Hello everyone, I hope everything is going well for you. In this video we will look at the breakout stocks which I think also have potential to provide good returns, as well as analyze where we enter into the stock and place our stop loss. This is not a recommendation. Before taking any action, please conduct your own research and consult with your financial advisor. I will not be made responsible for your loss or profit. This video is purely for educational purpose only. Cabra Extrusion Limited is the name of the stock which we will be analyzing. If we look at the chart on a weekly time frame, the stock has broken through the resistance with huge volume. If we look at the chart on a daily time frame, we can see that the stock retesting the resistance level. The current stock price is very favorable. The stop loss can be placed near the swing low, which is around 331. The first target is near this swing high and second target is all-time high. The second stock under consideration is Bodal Chemicals. In the weekly time frame, the stock has provided a good breakout with huge volumes. If we look at the chart on a daily time frame, there is a falling wedge pattern. In the weekly time frame, the stock has a 0.618 Fibonacci level retracement. In the daily time frame, the targets are 136, which is 45% from the current level. Zydus Life Science is the third stock we will look at. Looking at the weekly time frame, the stock has provided a good breakout. When we look at the chart on a 4-hour time frame, the stock has provided a good green candle near the resistance area. The stock current price is also very attractive. The targets are 417, 452 and 483. The stop loss can be placed near the 354 on a weekly closing basis. If you like my analysis, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Please share this with your friends and family if you find it useful. Thank you.